We love Hakka
and I Hakka.
We love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林泽修 Joseph Lin. And with Alice, we're teaching you this month the term 附近, which means nearby.
附近。
Now, it's the month of July, so it's the start of the typhoon season. Be careful, okay? 现在开始7月是不是进入台风季节了？对，可能8月、9月、10月都有哦。那有时候台风很可怕，在家里安全就好。可最近附近可能会这么
淹水。
等台风走了还是出不去，怎么办？ All right, sometimes it causes floods nearby, and let's put you in this scenario, okay? 这次台风好可怕。The typhoon was horrible.
亚拜风采，东登影强，亚拜风采，东登影强，
是可怕的意思，对不对？可怕怎么说？好可怕。登影强 ，Okay, that means so horrible. It's horrific. All right, the typhoon is horrific. 哎，对啊，你们家没事吧？ You know, you should ask the other party if they're all right first. Yeah, is everything all right at home?
係啊，牙不下，無上趕好。
冇上趕好是沒關係，沒事。Okay, that means everything's all right. Okay, so yes, is everything all right at your house? 哎呀，我家附近的路都淹水了，
好可憐，
出不去了哈。There's a lot of flooding around my neighborhood, all the streets. All right, 我家附近的路都淹水，怎麼說？
牙不下附近嘅路。都淹水咧，
淹水聽起來就是淹水啦。
對，
okay,
淹水咧。
That means flood, all right? 淹水。But the streets, the roads around my house, 我家就是牙不卡。然後附近 we just taught you means nearby, 嘅路
就是的路。
The路 that means the street. And then 淹水了，淹水就是淹水嘛。淹水 okay, that means a flood. 我家附近的路都淹水了。All right, nearby my house is all flooded. All right, hope you guys stay safe and dry during this typhoon season. Let's review some of these terms, such as a typhoon, 台风，
風采
and then 可怕. Oh, it's horrible.
登影強
and then a flood, 淹水.
淹水
All right, and it's all about something that's happening nearby, 也就是附近.
附近
Again, it's typhoon season, and hope you learned a few vocabulary for it. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.